Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is journal; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 1st of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just please skip the video, okay? Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. You will see the link in the description box. If you want to start your self-healing journey with the best healing modality of the whole universe, you can start by purchasing my masterclass of Ho'oponopono. It's a 1 hour masterclass, and for one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book your slots. Every link is given in the description box. You can check out the description box. Okay, let's start. Sagittarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Temperance. This is your card only. So someone here is kind of trying to be as patient in the situation as they can from their side, hoping for the best kind of outcome to come out of the situation. So someone who might be a little bit of having anger issue, maybe not for everybody, maybe an impatient person, maybe somebody who's having some kind of anger issues. They're working on themselves. That is a good thing here, and they're trying their best to be as patient with the situation as they can, as beautifully as they can. Let me clarify the Temperance here as their feelings for you. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups. See, this is someone who is trying their best to hold on to this, not to show this restlessness, not to show this temperament, not to show this energy of going back and forth and confused about the situation. Someone here is feeling like they should bury all of their feelings of confusion on and off, in and out, inside them, and they should come forward towards you with the best kind of version that they can hold on to. It's like basically coming forward towards you with a lot of love and still holding on to this energy of on and off, in and out, confusion, restlessness. Wow. See, this person is trying to be as patient as much as they can from their side in the situation, but at the same time, they're just pretending to be okay. They're just pretending to be cool and calm. But inside of them, they're holding on to a lot of confusion, a lot of back and forth, a lot of this energy of what should I do, what should I not, what should I do, and a lot of this energy of restlessness. But putting on this energy of putting on this mask of, yeah, I love you, I want to be with you. Inside of them, they're not sure. Let's see what's happening from your side. What are your feelings for this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Queen of Pentacles. So Sagittarius, right now you are in this energy of whatever is happening is happening. You are trying to be as practical, as grounded and mature regarding the situation with a lot of love and compassion. It's like whatever is happening is happening. I can't do anything about it. All I can do is I can take care of myself. This is what you're doing. Let me clarify the Queen of Pentacles. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, the Four of Cups, right? See, you're working on yourself. You're not very sure about coming together or coming back together within a particular dynamic. Although you're still stuck on this person or still stuck on the idea of being with this person, you're kind of not sure about it. It's kind of you are kind of feeling like whenever you try to blend in with this person, it always gives you a disappointment kind of energy. So you should just focus on yourself. Right now you're feeling like this, right? You're feeling like what is the use of going in a particular direction when I'm not going to get anything that I want? So I should just leave this situation. But at the same time, you're still stuck on the idea of being with this person. Okay, a lot of confusion, a lot of ifs and buts and conflicts, internal ones going on from both the sides. But you're not pretending. You're calm, you're composed, you're working on yourself. One of you is pretending to be okay. One of you is literally okay. That is the deal here. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Sagittarius? Page of Cups. See, their intention is to come towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology, with some kind of energy of, okay, I have love towards this person, so I should go forward towards this person with a lot of love. Still, not very emotionally mature kind of energies. They're telling, giving me Page of Cups, Knight of Cups, not like King of Cups or something like that. Kind of confused, emotionally confused. Yeah, they're manifesting this energy of maturity and stability in this in this connection. They're scared. They want to like face the fear, face the insecurities, face the worst kind of scenario out of the situation, and then they want to make the situation quite stable. It's like facing the worst and making the best out of that. This is what this person's intentions are towards you. They want to keep their energies open in this direction, and they want to know what can happen in this situation in the coming future. As of now, the situation is kind of up in the air. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? High Priestess, you just want to keep your mouth shut and energies down. You're like, I just want to listen to my intuition. I just want to work on myself. I just want to keep my energies to myself low key. Let me clarify the High Priestess. We have the Ace of Swords, the Lovers, and the Page of Pentacles. Yeah. See, you just want the clarity of the situation, whether you want to stick around to this particular person, and or you should open up like your energies to other person, other situation, other connections, or exploring other things in your life. Maybe connections, maybe people, maybe other things. You're thinking a lot about this situation, about what can come out of this situation, and you're thinking whether you should go for this situation, and or you should start exploring other things, other situations also in your life. This is what you're up to. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 1st of December. Sagittarius. Two of Cups. Okay. Two energies blending into maybe a balanced, restored kind of energy. Let's clarify the Two of Cups. But it's like your masculine side and divine feminine and divine masculine are kind of blending in beautifully right now. See, I do see somebody from your past, somebody that you're already connected to, is very much attracted to the idea of being in love with you and having a very beautiful connection with you. But they're so emotionally confused that they might end up causing a lot of confusion in the situation. And because one of you is confused, the other one is also going to be feeling confused about the situation. Right now, this situation is not going anywhere. I do see love, I do see passion, I do see this energy of we are so good together, we are having a soul connection. But at the same time, this emotional confusion is kind of taking over this whole situation between you and them. So someone's emotional confusion is going to make this connection very much difficult to handle. As of now, this is the outcome. Emotional confusion, a lot of it, not able to understand what you guys should do. Although you're trying your best to find the right answer for yourself, but I do see you also being confused by the end of this week because of the other person's energies. So one person's energy is affecting the other person's energy also in a big way in this situation, and things are not going anywhere as of now. They are going to be as confusing as they are, maybe a little bit more confusion. Whenever we are so much confused in our life that we don't understand what we should do next, we should just surrender and let things unfold naturally. That is what you're trying to do, but you're trying and it's not happening. But keep on trying. Cool. Yeah. Keep yourself grounded, keep yourself practical, keep yourself mature and understanding enough that whatever is happening for your highest good. Actually, it is teaching you a lot of patience and growth. And on a soul level as well, this is teaching you how to be with yourself more and more. How to be in this grounded phase right now. Basically, you have to keep yourself grounded no matter what is happening externally. Okay, that is what I'm getting here. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.